In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone at the top left corner. If you can't see it, tap on this gear. Select voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!